colonies. Have you learned about this in history class? No? That's okay. We're going to learn about it. We will learn about it today. And if you know about it already, it'll be a review. It'll be easy.
Oh, really?
Morning, Sherry. How are you? You never did? That's okay. We'll talk about it in 1 minute. Do you have your notebook? Do you want paper? Here you go. Everybody looks tired today. Doesn't matter, it's only Tuesday. Got 4 more days. The data questions on the board. It says, what do you already know about the 13 American colonies? And have you learned about them in history class? You probably have, but just write down what you know in your notebook. About the 13 colonies? Anything you might have learned in history class? Mina, go ahead. Did you raise your hand? Yeah. Do you remember anything you learned? Yeah. In history? What was one thing you learned about the 13 colonies? Yes. It was when America... Exactly. So, okay, you know a lot about it then. It was when America first formed. We weren't states yet, like how New Jersey is a state, New York is a state. We were colonies. And there were only 13 of them. And the people who made the colonies, Mina said, came from England. Yeah. And they moved to the east of the country, which is where we are. We're on the east coast. Cairo.
Like on the rules in the United States?
Yes. The English came here and they made rules for this country. And they made rules, and these rules formed the 13 colonies. I have a reading that we're going to read together as a class. It's about the 13 colonies. We're preparing for Thanksgiving. So we're going to do a unit this month on Thanksgiving. We're going to start with the 13 colonies. You're welcome. I'm going to read this out loud while you guys follow along as a class. So at the top it says the 13 colonies. When the United States was originally formed, it was a lot different than how it is today. Rather than having 50 states like we do now, in the beginning we started out with 13 colonies. There were 3 sections of the country, broken off, and each colony or state was part of one section. The 3 sections were the New England colonies, the Middle colonies, and the Southern colonies. So there were 3, the whole country was divided into 3 parts.
Yeah, I remember that in social studies.
You remember learning about this? I thought you guys would remember learning about this. The New England colonies consisted of Connecticut, New Hampshire, Rhode Island, and Massachusetts. Now let me put on this map.